this side there.
Perfect. Put them all in there. 25 smackaroos. Mmm, yummy.
This one should be about, well, we have a head. The head I will put 3 for the head. That, there's a bank, so of course it's 35.
Hi, Millen, how you doing?
Oh, great! Want to buy some toys?
Toys, yeah, these look great. What do you have here? We've got some soccer table.
So let me present to you. So here we have the fishing sets.
Okay.
And we have the funny game surprises.
I remember that one. That one's cool.
And we have the crocodile dentist.
Dentist game, all right.
Bowling.
Bowling, a classic.
We have aqua beats.
Yep, those are fun.
We have a circle table, and we
like
have a mix or match vehicles.
Okay, well, how much is the fishing thing?
The fishing thing is 232.
232. Oh, that's not too bad. Well, okay, so what if I wanted to buy the fishing thing, but then I also wanted to buy the soccer table and the mix and match
Let
trucks?
me calculate.
Yeah, I like this one a lot. I like this one's super cool. I like that one. Did you figure it out yet?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. I'll give you a little bit more time.
I wish I had the most perfect cashier.
Oh, you don't have a cashier? You don't have... Oh, Malin, I've got something just for you. Why don't you come with me? I'll show you. Come on, let's go.
Yeah!
All right. Okay, so this is why I thought it would help you with your shop. So you've got this whole area, and you can even put some of your items there. You can even have ice cream and cakes and a bunch of different things. But the most important thing that I thought would help you is there's a cash register. And it also has a scanner, so you can scan each thing and it tells you the price.
There's light and sound.
Lights and sound, exactly. And there's 47 pieces.
Pieces.
It's a lot of stuff we have to build. But I think this will help you a whole bunch make lots more sales in your shop. All right, well, let's get started unboxing this then.
There's even food.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh, wow.
There's even money.
Yeah, it even comes with money too. Wow.
It's so realistic. Look.
I like it a lot. All right, let's open this part up. And look at those tiny little dollars. That's really cute. All right, well, let's start putting it all together.
Yeah.
Here we go.
I think we should start by the feet.
Yes, feet first.
And we're gonna start by the little parts after.
Okay.
Ooh, can you keep this for me?
Yep, I got this side. You got that side?
I need the big thing.
Big thing first.
Yep, it's like that. Here, right like that.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, push
What do you think
down.
about this? This goes next, probably?
Yeah, right there.
Don't forget to look at the box.
I think we should put both at the same time.
Oh, there it is. All right, the last thing in there, the coffee box, okay. All right, I think you're all set.
I think I need to put just this one, and we're finished. The ice cream.
Ooh, look at that ice cream.
Looks good.
Looks yummy. All right, well, let me see here. Let me try this one right here. Can I try this one? Let's see here. I'll just put it back. No one will know.
No.
I'm just kidding. All right, well, I think I want to buy some stuff, but I have to go get my bag.
Okay, well, I'll see you later. You're gonna take your stuff. We can play a game.
Here you go. I'll be right back. Oh, well, hello.
Oh, wow, hello.
Oh, I like your little shop. It looks very nice. It's very good.
What did you need to buy? I have tons of stuff you can buy.
Well, tonight I'm going to have a tea party. So I need tea, I need biscuits, I also need honey, and I need cakes as well. Do you have those things?
I think I have tea.
Oh, she has tea? Okay, go ahead and throw that in there. Okay.
So, and also you want ice cream.
No, I need ice cream last though, because I first have to have my cakes.
Yeah.
So do you have any cakes I can have?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Have sweets, let me put more for you, okay?
Okay.
Here, you have chocolate cakes, and there's, inside here there's a macaroon.
Perfect, put them all in there. All right, good. And then one more thing. Oh, I need some olive oil. Olive oil. Do you have olive oil? Oh, perfect, perfect.
Do you want some coffee?
Might as well. Throw the coffee in there too, because someone might drink coffee instead of tea. Now, how much is this all gonna take? Cost? Yep, biscuits too.
Let me look. I need a.
Here, I'll give you. Let's go and look at this thing.
So let's put this.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so that's gonna be 10. Wait, no, that's 5. Now the biscuits. Let me take this side there.
Okay. You get.
That's 10 now. It's gonna be 15. 15. 16.
Okay. You got 2 more things in there.
20.
And the tea. Oh, sorry, the olive
And-
oil.
25.
All right, cool. So let's put it all back inside. And here is 25 smackaroos.
Ooh.
There you go. Well, thank you so much. I will definitely be able to have the best tea party ever now. Well, it looks like I have all the things I need for my tea party. Thank you very much. And I still have my ice cream that you gave me. Mmm, yummy. All right, guys. Well, if you had fun, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that button underneath, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for your help. I'm going to have a great tea party.